Right guys, what's going on? Back again in the Passat. This time we're going to be doing some interior upgrades. We're going to be basically changing all the plastics to net Optic. These are brand new secondhand from eBay. And they look so much better than the original plastics because they're not actually plastic like metal, and they feel real nice. So we're going to be installing these today. This is literally straight after the thermostat video, so that's why I'm wearing the same clothes. So no, I'm not a tramp, but this is straight after the thermostat video. We'll be installing these right now, so let's go. As you can see, I've already got the net Optic surrounding, the net Optic ashtray, the door handle, but we haven't got the door handle this side, and we haven't got the trim down here. You can get this in the B5. This is a cup holder, and they didn't put a cup holder here because obviously you got the two cup holders here, but you can fit the B5 cup holder here, and that is what I have got, the B5 cup holder. I mean, I don't know why you would I just like cup holders, so the more cup holders the better in my opinion. So apparently this fits straight in, there's no modifications needed, and we're about to find out if it does. All right, we're gonna pop this bottom trim off. It should just pry off with a little bit of force. I'm using my wrong hand here, so there we go. That's out. It's just like a little blanking plate, and this should just, I'm hoping, slide in. That's on like a right knob. This just popped off, but I'm sure it can be popped back on. Don't sit very flush. Let's sit there, ain't it? But I mean, it looks better, don't it? Regardless. So that's in. Onto this. So to get these off, you just got to pop this off here, and then this literally just pops off. That's the only thing holding it on. So let's take that off now. Right, that's that off, and then this should make a fool of me now. Oh, that's broken actually. It snaps there. Oh shit. That was a bit forceful. I did not mean that. But yeah, that's that off now. Obviously unplug the plugs. Alright, we do have to swap these over, the buttons, so we'll do that now. With a bit of camera magic. Boom. All swapped over, all done. Right, now it's a case of just doing everything in reverse, putting this in, and then putting that trim cap on, and then we'll see if it works. So yeah, let's do that. So this is that cup holder. Just pull it out like that. You've got your can of Monster. Push it in. And the best part about this is it's not in your way while you're driving. Oh. So I've actually got 4 cup holders for all my Monsters. Right, so it's been a couple of days and it's finally been delivered. We've got the surrounding for the climate control, so let's install this. We just want to pull this one off, it's already broken. So it snapped a while ago, just set that down right there. And I'm pretty sure there's only one way this can go. He says. No, that's the way, that's the way. There we go. There we go. And that's all installed. We've got fully net optic trim now. And I've got to admit, that looks so much better. We've got the net optic door handle and the other side, driver's side, is all done. Right, so that's just a short and sweet one. Again, just improving the interior by quite a lot, I think. But let me know what you think in the comments. And like I said, there's plenty more videos to come. Try and hit that 100 subscriber goal. So if you could all drop a subscribe, that would be much appreciated. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.